i35equipment.com. This is a Doosan DX225LC hydraulic track excavator with a long arm, long reach, long front, 55 feet of reach. It does have the Doosan factory bucket with 5 teeth and cutting wings. We do have other buckets available. This machine, owned by a local gentleman, one owner since new. Excellent condition, meticulous on service and keeping up with everything. Excellent undercarriage. Well, can you come look at her for yourself? Otherwise, you just call, get on the calendar. Phone number here is 405-833-6437. If you'd like a hauling quote, do send a quote in all over the country. So again, it ships to you. Should not be an issue at all. Just fill out the form on our website. We'll share that delivery address to local haulers and nationwide broker. Give out the best rate that comes back to us. We do specialize in consignment sales here. So if you or someone you know has idle heavy equipment, just fill out the form on our website. Call, text, or email with your equipment, some information about it. We'd be happy to share all the details on our consignment sales service. This machine has lots of great features and options. It does have the Doosan diesel motor, lots of power, no def required. It does have switchable control patterns, switchable pattern control switchers right there. Just use a wrench to change that over. It does include operator's manual, service manual, and the shop manual. There's no welds or cracks or any issues with the boom, with the arm that you tend to see in a lot of these long arms. They have been cared for. This machine has a blast film on it here, so if you were to get hit by maybe a tree or something like that, or a branch, it's going to, instead of shatter, it's going to help hold it together, makes it much stronger. Also has a solar tint on it, so it's going to help not only block the sunlight, it's also going to help block it from getting super hot in there. Dual AGM batteries. And your battery switches there. I believe those batteries were put in new last year. It does have the auxiliary hydraulics on it. It's right there. You can see all the specs, all the info, as well as other equipment on our website, www.i35equipment.com. I do not expect this machine to be here very long, as it is extremely nice. Extremely luxurious. Still has all the mirrors on it. That speaks volumes. Travel alarm, horn. Doosan was a part of the Bobcat family, recently purchased by Hyundai. It does have the factory Doosan seat in it. Seat heater is working. It's for your travel alarm up here. It's your throttle. He actually put a little Sharpie mark here at the 50%, and he never wanted to operate over 50% power unless he just had to, and so that's kind of nice to know. He didn't abuse it. Currently sitting at 5.359 hours. And fired up here. 10:13 a.m. the shooting began. Working radio, and that's your control for the radio, but the radio is factory Doosan AM/FM CD there. Sounds excellent. Cold working air conditioning. and hot heat. He actually removed the windshield wiper. He was concerned about scratching the glass. It does include the windshield wiper. Got work lights on, dual travel speeds. Of course, these are for your auxiliary hydraulic controls. If you have any questions, give us a call. You can cycle up on your power here to super strong if needed. Gives you a little more power. Just a really excellent machine. Like I said, welcome you to come look it over for yourself. Bring your mechanics and operator, hire someone who wants to accompany you. Open by phone and line, so you just call you on the calendar. 405-833-6437. Have a wonderful day.